Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw cash from your Bitstamp account to your bank account. And we can do this simply by going to Withdrawal, and then right here you will have an overview for all your withdrawals. That is not important right now, so we click right here on cash, and then we fill in right here the funds that we want to withdraw. We want to withdraw US dollars. Select here the amount. Now let's say I don't have any balance on this account, but if you have that, type in the correct balance that you want to transfer, and then you can also decide if you want to change the currency. But yeah, that's not important right now, so I want to keep it in US dollars. And then right now you need to add a new payment method. So right now, if you click right here on add payment method and you click here on bank, make sure that you fill in all your details correctly, link your bank account, and then it's quite simple, because once you link your bank account to Bitstamp, you can just click on your bank account and then he will automatically send cash to your bank. So this is how you can withdraw cash from Bitstamp. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.